copy trading recommendation. So we're here at XM. So there are a lot of ways to do copy trading. So depende yan sa broker ninyo and yung interface depende rin yan sa kung ano yung gamit nyo. So with XM, ito nga yung nakikita natin, no? So ito yung interface nila. Medyo mas maganda talaga yung interface ng copy trading nila and also kumpleto yung details in just one look. Okay? In just one look, we can also do copy. Alright, so from here, gawa lang kayo ng account siyempre with XM. Nandiyan yung link natin sa bio natin or sa comment section or sa description. So once you were able to do so, we can just create an investor account with them. So aside from registration, meron din tayong um, yun nga, magke-create ka ng iba't ibang account 'no, merong puwede kang 'pag nakapag-register ka na, create ka ng demo, create ka ng live account, create ka ng investor account, and you can also do multiple, accounts here, okay? So, but, specifically for copy trading, you can do, investor account. Okay. And also, if you are a really, really good trader, if you have ideas about EA or mga AI na trading, no, you can also apply it here and become a strategy provider. Okay. So not just forex. So there's a lot of forex here, indices, also crypto. You can select one or everything or any um, category that you like, okay? Commodities and algorithmic, okay? So pag siyempre pag click mo naman lahat yan, you can just um, click any. But here's the thing, no? Um, aside from looking for the right criteria, you can also diversify. Okay? Although, siyempre, you are in a space of trading, it's not that much diversified. But what I mean is different categories. Okay? So for, let's say for example, you want to have forex, no? So pili ka dito with the criteria that we mentioned before. Syempre kailangan gusto natin mababa yung drawdown with small fee, no? So uh, meron tayo dito mga options, okay? So let's say for example you want to copy Sharon Capital. He's got own funds which is good, no? Malaki-laki, invested, 21 investors and medyo malaki yung fee and also yung drawdown. Okay? But the minimum investment is small, no? So let's see. Okay. So performance is going up all time. Let's see. Stable, no? Maganda rin. So let's see, pinakamalaki niyan drawdown and negative is 19%. Pero ang pinakamalaki niya is 28. So bumagsak siya ng 19, the next month 28, which is not bad. Okay, hindi naman siya nasunog, nagbawas siya ng 19 pero nag-create din siya ng 28. So, okay na rin 'no? So, more on USD CAD ang mga, um, trades niya. And I think, um, this guy is doing hedging 'no? Kasi yung open trades niya is actually on, all negative, on the sell side. And if you were able to see the close, ayan, so meron dito mga, na-close na 'no? So, probably nabalikan, oh, okey. So, this is, actually not bad, pero I would not put all of my, capital here, okay? So, that's the reason why you need to, diversify. Let's say you put 10% here, and then you look for more opportunities elsewhere, okay? So, let's say, want to go to crypto, ayan, okey. So, from here, okey nawawala yung crypto 'no? Pero let's say yun nga 'no, you want to go with, let's say gold. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the opportunities here. Okay, so again, we want to have a strategy provider na mababa yung drawdown, number one. Invested siya sa strategy niya, and also yung fee is acceptable, okay? Ayaw naman natin ng 50%, 'di ba? So, let's say ito 'no, si, AI Paruway, low risk kung titingnan. Invested siya, own funds 1,600, minimum investment is 300, fee is 10%, which is, very low. With 7 investors, drawdown is 24%. Okay, so here, let's see the all-time, may performance siya na 50%. Okay? And I think this is, an AI trade 'no, AI trader. And so all of the, uh, metrics naka-post na 'no, in just one look. So, is it profitable? Ayan. So, January, nag-start all the way to July, it's on a positive. Okay, kasi may malaki siya dito. Although the April and May medyo mababa, and June bagsak pero just 3%, 'no. And the next month is good. For me, itong AI Paruway na 'to 'no, you can just search this, AI Paruway, yan. You can just copy this or search it sa, search bar. Okay, dito 'no, yan. Gano'n lang kadali mag-search 'no. So tandaan niyo 'no, and let's take a look at some, okay. So we're seeing here MROC, okay. Mababa siya, 3% monthly return, but the drawdown is 4%, fee is 10%, 53 investors. Let's see. Ang gusto nating makita is that meron ng enough data about, the strategy provider. So this one, this guy, MROC. So again, search this, at Ton P Fraud. Ayan. Ang ganda 'no, since 2024, although yung iba wala. Pero as you can see, 2%, 3%, 7%, 5% every month on a positive side. Okay, risk management is also a priority. Ayan. This is the kind of, trader na pwede mong, volume-an 'no. And as you can see, the whole 2025 is out here. Okay, 5%, 6%. So you think na it's very small as compared to mga nagwa 1,000%, but I think this is a very safe strategy kasi every month 'to, eh. And did you know na yung inflation rate is just about, 2, 3% or 4% the maximum sa the whole year 'no. Pero if you're gaining 6% on your capital, in just the month of April, and then the rest meron pa rin naman. So, it's not bad, okay? Malaki 'yan 'no. If you are going to compound the profit, nako-close kasi yung trades diyan, eh. So, let's say for example, January kumita ng 2.88, and then the next month, and then the next month, yung 2.88% nag-compound na siya 'no, nasama na siya dun sa capital mo, and then it will gain 5%, okay? So, that's how it works, right? So, for me, 10% fee, napakababa. Investors, napakarami nagtitiwala, and also invested, ang dami rin 'no. Also, he's got the track record for it, since 2024, 2025, the whole 2025, he traded, and here 2026 'no, maganda rin yung performance. Okay? So again, you can look for this, MROC Tonpi fraud. Okay. And once you were able to do the search, just click copy here. All right. So that's it for our copy trading recommendations. And again, I want to invite you sa ating Telecom community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals that you can trade on your own, trade manually, aside from this copy trading. And also we do coaching sessions there. We You can ask me anything if you're having trouble with your account, and also if you want to have a one-on-one coaching sessions. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.